Hey guys, I'm Mohit. Today I'll talk about a cool gadget for MacBook Pro. This is a WI ultra thin hard shell case for MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is a very cool gadget. It will protect your MacBook Pro from any scratch, any dust as much as possible. So let's go to unbox these things. This is the outlook for the MacBook Pro's iSHIELD Ultra Thin Hard Shell Case packet. The packet is very good quality. Its outlook is also very nice to see. It's the main packet. Already I unboxed, but now I'll show how look like the package. After opening this, you will get your main product, the case. It's the front part of the case. It's the front part, and after that you will get your back part of the case. It's the back part. So let's go to apply this on MacBook. It's the front part. Firstly I apply the front part, so be sure to carefully apply this. It's the front side, so you will get this type of things. So that is front side. Apply that carefully. After that just go to back side and press that. This is the front side of MacBook. After that just put carefully. Yes, it's totally applied. After applying the case, it is not clear that any case has been attached to the MacBook. There is no way to understand from a little distance that there is a case attached to it. It looks very good from any angle. Hopefully this will protect the MacBook from dust and stains as well. The case has not become too thick after fitting. Everything is very transparent, giving a premium outlook. It works like 360-degree protection. It feels pretty good. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. I hope everyone will be fine until then. Bye bye.